You know the fortune cookie? End of the meal, crack it open, laugh at the slip of paper inside. It feels ancient. It feels Chinese. Almost none of that is true. Fortune cookies are not a Chinese tradition at all. In China, they're largely unknown. It's just as unfamiliar to them as it would be to you. The cookie's true ancestor is a Japanese cracker called tsujura senbei, a sesame and miso wafer folded around a fortune sold near temples in Kyoto for generations. Japanese immigrants carried the recipe to California in the early 1900s, adapting it with vanilla and sugar for American tastes. Both a Japanese gardener and a Chinese restaurateur have been credited as inventor. Then internment forced Japanese Americans out. Chinese bakeries took over almost by accident. By the post-war years, the fortune cookie had become a fixture of the Chinese-American restaurant experience nationwide, even though its roots trace back to Japan and its evolution happened entirely on American soil. Decades later, American entrepreneurs tried exporting fortune cookies to China as a traditional novelty. Chinese customers were baffled. They'd never seen anything like it before. So why did the myth stick for so long? Convenience, marketing, and the way food traditions get flattened into a single, tidy story. Even when that story is wrong, that's the real story. Not a lie, but a life. Carried across an ocean, changed by history, and cracked open, one more time, at a table like this one.